Have you ever been stuck choosing between chocolate ice cream and vanilla? That's called a decision. And if your bike gets a flat tire and you don't know how to fix it, that's a problem you need to solve. Now imagine doing this, but in a business. Welcome to decision-making and problem-solving, two powerful skills every leader, manager, and student must learn. What is decision-making? Decision-making is the process of choosing the best option from different choices. In simpler words, it's picking what to do next. For example, a shop owner has to decide, should I open another branch or stay small? That's a business decision. Famous quote, "In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing." Theodore Roosevelt. Good decisions help businesses grow. Bad decisions, they can cost time, money, and customers. What is problem solving? Problem solving is the process of finding a solution to a difficult situation. Imagine this. A pizza shop starts getting complaints about late delivery. That's a problem. So the manager tracks orders, finds delays, and hires another delivery person. That's problem solving in action. Problem solving needs clear thinking, asking why the problem happened, testing different solutions, picking the best one. Steps of decision making. Let's simplify how smart decisions are made. Here are 5 easy steps. Identify the goal. What do I want to achieve? List all options. What are the choices? Check pros and cons. What are the good and bad sides of each? Choose wisely. Pick the best one. Take action and review. Did it work? If not, try again. Whether it's launching a product or choosing a supplier, every decision needs this process. Steps of problem solving. And now, how do we solve a problem? Identify the problem. What's going wrong? Find the cause. Why is this happening? Think of solutions. How can I fix it? Pick the best solution. What's most practical? Act and evaluate. Did it solve the problem? Whether it's a broken machine or a customer complaint, this method works every time. Remember, life and business are full of choices and challenges. Those who learn to make smart decisions and solve problems fast are the ones who become great leaders. So, what will you choose today? Stick with our playlist to sharpen your business brain. Hit that subscribe button because you're just one decision away from success.